Hello YouTube and welcome to Nunney Castle. In the 14th century, Sir John Delamere, a local knight, after serving in the 100-Year War with France, obtained a licence to crenellate his unfortified manor house from King Edward III in 1373. Formed of 54-foot high walls which are 8 foot thick, this four-lobed bailey, encirculated by a moat, would have had a conical style roof on the top of each of its towers and battlements running along the top of the walls. A drawbridge would have spanned the 10-foot deep moat on the north side of the tower. The castle originally consisted of 4 floors, the ground floor consisting of the kitchen. The first and second floors, however, were a bit of a mystery with what they originally housed, but it's suggested that one could have been an armoury and the other being a hall or another service area to support the living accommodation on the top floor. A chapel would have been located in one of the towers. After John Delamere's death in the 15th century, the castle changed hands several times between the 15th and the 17th centuries for one reason or another, and eventually landed up in the ownership of the Roman Catholic Prater family. In 1642, the English Civil War broke out between the rival factions of Parliament and King Charles I. Like many Catholics, Colonel Richard Prater supported the king. As the royalist situation deteriorated and the war progressed, the southwest became one of the few remaining royalist strongholds. Nunney Castle, in anticipation for a parliamentary attack, was garrisoned and took in a number of refugees, including many Catholics. In September 1645, a parliamentary army advanced into Somerset under the command of Oliver Cromwell and Lord Fairfax, claiming Sherborne, Carey and Shepton Mallet before surrounding Nunney. 2 regiments of soldiers with cannons surrounded the castle on the 18th of September. Richard Prater, being the royalist that he was, refused to surrender, and the cannons facing the north side of the castle opened fire, breaching the castle wall. Raising a flag with a Catholic crucifix on it to taunt his besiegers, Richard refused to surrender. However, 2 days later, the garrison surrendered, the damage was done, and Richard Prater was forbidden ever to return to the castle. The castle only returned to the Prater family once Charles II was restored to the throne in 1660. Although the castle was not in bad shape, it was sold on during the 18th century before becoming covered in thick ivy during the 20th century, and on the 25th of December 1910, a portion of the north wall collapsed. It has since been passed on to the Commissioner of Work and English Heritage for its care. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be informed about our next videos.